I want to sketch the region of integration and then evaluate the following. So the region, well, if this is x and this is y, x goes from 0 to 4 minus y squared. Well, what is that? If you spin this around, this is, if this, you make this the y-axis, this is the x is kind of rotated, and this is 4 minus x squared, you know that that would be a parabola that looks like this, with this being 4. Well, that's the exact same thing. This is going to be 4, and I get that parabola that does this. But y goes from 0 to 2. So I'm going to go from 0 to 2. So this part of it won't exist. This is the region that I'm actually going to be working with. So let's go ahead. You're probably getting tired of this, but I always think like this, do it as a separate problem. And that's going to be, I better do it over here, the integral from 0 to 4 minus y squared of x plus y dx, which is going to give me x squared over 2 plus y times x, evaluator from 0 to 4 minus y squared, which is going to be 4 minus y squared. That is a squared. It didn't look too much like a square. There we go. 4 minus y squared squared over 2 plus y times 4 minus y squared. And then the 0 is going to be 0. So, you know, I should probably think about expanding this, simplifying. I mean, I need to take the integral of this, so it might be easier to do if I do some expanding and combining now rather than fiddling with it later. So what is this going to be? This is going to be 16 minus 8y squared plus y to the 4th over 2 plus 4y minus y cubed. Yeah, I can do a little bit more with this. Not much more. I can write this as 8 minus 4y squared plus y to the 4th over 2 plus 4y minus y cubed. Yeah, I guess that's going to be easy to work with. It may not have been. Let's see, what do I have? 0 to 2. So let's integrate this with respect to y from 0 to 2. So the integral from 0 to 2 of y to the 4th over 2 minus y cubed minus 4y squared plus 4y plus 8 dy. I simply wrote this in descending order. Didn't really have to. I just felt like it while I was doing it. So this is going to be y to the 5th over 10 minus y to the 4th over 4 minus 4y cubed over 3 plus 2y squared, because it's 4y squared over 2, plus 8y, evaluated from 0 to 2. That's nice. All these have a y, so the 0 part is just going to be 0. So this is going to be 2 to the 5th over 10 minus 2 to the 4th over 4 minus 4 over 3 times 2 cubed plus 2 times 2 squared plus 8 times 2. Now I'm going to fiddle with this just a little bit. I'm not going to go crazy with this. You can easily simplify this. But see, this is 2 to the 5th. This is 2 times 5. So this is the same as 2 to the 4th over 5, which is 16 over 5. 2 to the 4th is 16 divided by 4 is 4. 2 cubed is 8, so this is minus 24 over 3. Plus, this is 4 times 2, that's plus 8. And this is going to be plus 16. So let's see, that'll cancel there and give me a positive 4. That gives me a 20. So this is 20 plus 16 over 5 minus 24 over 3.